guys, what's up? It's Alicia. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the first video of many on my channel. I want to start doing some lifestyle and especially cleaning videos, considering I clean pretty much all day long, or what feels like all day long. I am always at home for the most part, so I feel like I'm practically cleaning all day long, and I figured why not go ahead and show you guys how I keep my house clean, how I clean with a very active toddler in my home, and just try to do the best that I can to keep this home organized and clean and all of that good stuff. So today's video is going to be my everyday morning cleaning routine video. This routine is my quick but very effective routine of how I keep my house tidy and organized, and just what I do in the morning to get my day started. The less clutter, the better. So this video will be a speed clean with me video. Hope you guys enjoy. If you guys do enjoy, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already, for more lifestyle videos and also beauty videos. So go ahead and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first thing I do for my everyday morning routine is to make my bed. I absolutely cannot get through my day knowing my bed isn't made. I don't know, this makes me feel lazy, I guess, but here I am just fluffing out the sheets, fluffing out my comforter, and also putting my pillows in the proper place. My husband has a habit of leaving a jug of water on his nightstand to use overnight, so I'm going to go ahead and grab that to kind of get rid of some clutter and then head to the kitchen. Once I've made it to my kitchen, which for me is where the biggest mess is, I first like to tidy up and put things where they belong. So I'll put Valerie's cups and her plate in the sink, and then I'll put away any food and throw away any trash that may be out. I also go ahead and pick up my makeup brushes that I let sit there and air dry overnight and bring them to its proper place, which is my filming room. And then of course I just keep tidying up. I had some mail laying on my kitchen table and like some random headphones. So I just grab all those, put them up, and now I'm off to emptying out the dishwasher. We faithfully use our dishwasher every day, so it's important for me to empty it out so that way we can put new dishes in the dishwasher throughout the day. So that's what I'm just doing here, emptying it out, and then of course I will put everything where it's supposed to go. And we also had a few dishes that I did wash by hand that I let dry in the dish rack. So here I am just picking those up and putting those away as well. Now that I have emptied the dishwasher, my next step is to load the dirty dishes from that morning into the dishwasher. But I do like to go in and rinse everything off first before putting it into the dishwasher, because I hate whenever food gets stuck to dishes and it's just like a waste of time to put it in a dishwasher and there's food still stuck in it. So I always rinse everything off first and then load it. After loading our dirty dishes into the dishwasher and rinsing out the sink, my next step is to sweep. And honestly, I don't sweep the entire kitchen every morning, but I do spot sweep in the areas where we eat. So I'll sweep where Valerie's high chair was when she was eating, since she always has a ton of crumbs every single meal. And then I also sweep around our kitchen table. Lastly, for the kitchen, I wipe down our counters, and again, I don't wipe down all of the counters, just the areas where I know there are leftover crumbs and just liquid residue like coffee and milk from that morning's breakfast. So I focus on wiping the areas beside our sink, as well as the island, the coffee bar area, kitchen table, and Valerie's high chair. Now it's time to move on to the living room. In the living room, I focus on tidying up, fluffing out the pillows on our sofa and chairs, and I also pick up all of Val's books and toys that she plays with early in the morning. And because I spend so much time working in the living room, I like to lay out on the sofa and things like that. It's important for me to have a clean and organized space, so that's why this step is a must. I also quickly wipe down our coffee table with glass cleaner because Val's fingerprints are always all over it, and she spills a little bit of milk on the table almost every day. So doing this helps me to remove any milk stains or smudges that may be on the table. Here I am just doing a little bit more tidying. My family and I have the biggest habit of putting just random stuff in random places. So I like to get the house back organized and tidied up first thing in the morning. So I move my purse, a random shirt from Valerie, some shoes, just doing the normal things that should already have been done, but of course I waited until the morning to do it anyways. And last but not least, I like to fold a light load of laundry that I do overnight, so that way I stay on top of it. If I don't do at least one load of laundry a day, I am like swamped in laundry on the weekends. So I wash her clothes overnight, and in the morning I just fold a light load. It takes like 5 minutes to do, but it's just something that I always do every morning, so that way I am on top of things and I don't wait until the last minute to do like 5 loads of laundry, because it can get pretty crazy. And to wrap up my cleaning routine, I go ahead and put all of the clothes away. Like I said today, this was Valerie's load of clothes, so that's why I'm in her room putting the clothes up. But sometimes I'll have my clothes or some towels or sheets. Whatever the case may be, I will always put whatever it is away. So guys, that concludes my everyday morning cleaning routine video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see any more cleaning routine videos, go ahead and comment down below which you want to see next, and I will be happy to do that for you guys. As I said earlier, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. And as always, I love you guys. Have a wonderful day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye guys.